Ehururu egi egendereire kwongeramo abaana b'abaishiki aboojo hamwe n'abakazi okurwanisa endwara ya siriimu obutabanguko omu maka n'abaana okugira enda bakiri bato.
We are going to work with the existing programs in the district to see how to catalyze the activities that are already being implemented in the district to ensure that the district as a whole work together in an integrated but also intersectoral manner to ensure that the young people are also engaged.
On Obwegyese Education Plus Initiative, etongoziibwe aba United Nations Population Fund pakwatanise na Agency for Cooperation in Research and Development kandi eja kuteebwa omu nkora ekitongole kya Accord.
The girls who are in school are at a lesser risk than those who are in the villages. That school uniform, you see, creates a difference. And therefore, I want to charge our teams, the Chief Administrative Officer, the Education Department, the community-based services, that we undertake to support this pillar.
Ebihandiko bya Uganda AIDS Commission byoreka ngu siriimu eyemerire aha bicweka 11 n'obutonzi 8 ahari 100 omu district ya Kabarole. Abantu abarukwatwa akakooko ka siriimu mu district ya Kabarole bari hagati y'emyaka 15 na 24 y'obukuru.
One of our sub-counties in this district is rated number 1 in the whole country with the highest level of teenage pregnancies. 28% of the girls in that sub-county called Ehururu are believed to conceive between age 13 and age 17.
Hiina abaizire omu mukoro ogw'okwigura ehururu egi kandi ensonga ya siriimu kweyongyera nikwo bagigambireho bati.
Akito kawe byenzana omunyano wange bashirita abasangwaine tuno twine kusobozi beto amagezi tugaine nisa obukodyo kuona mu bukozesezi busambe butakakiri statistics mayirado na muteyiri kigona mupimira abakazi mupimira abana mupimire bete mukapimire ngeso
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.